welcome back to my channel. Right here I have an open Amazon package. You may be asking why it's open. Well, that's because me and my friend Gabby here, hi, have opened this thing and unboxed everything already. But inside this box are her fidgets, so that she just ordered. So we're gonna go ahead and see what they are. So let's get started. Start with the fidgets. So this is the first Pop-It. It's an ice cream one. I think that's the quiet side. Okay, that's the ice cream one. Next one is this rainbow circle. I think quiet? Yeah. Okay, next one is this purple one. It's already on the loud side. Yeah, I was playing with it at the beginning of this video. So next is this blue one. It's a light blue square. This is a dark blue square. Next is the rainbow square. Okay, next is this little cute duck. Next is this gummy bear. Next is this flower. Next is this Among Us Pop-It. And last but not least is this octopus Pop-It. Okay, next we have is Aaron's thinking putty. So we'll be back when it's open. We're back, it's open. So this putty, it changes purple to blue. So I'm just gonna keep playing with it and we'll be back when it's fully blue. Okay, so this is the putty, and if you wanna see the difference, that's the difference. So that's the Aaron's thinking putty. So we got this fidget cube. It's like a galaxy. So we got the roller little controller up here. Some things to go up and down. A little light switch. Some buttons to press. Just to spin your finger on. And I feel like this is a really cool fidget. These are spiky balls. There's really not much to do with them. They do light up. Oh, oop, this one lighted up. And they're satisfying. Okay. This is a pink Neato. That was not a good sound. Oh my gosh, I could sit and play with this all day. Okay, so next we have these Orbeez stress balls. We have a blue one and a red one. And yeah. I also just found another fidget cube that I forgot to show. Okay, so this is new. This is a sand-filled banana stress ball. It's really stretchy, and it's not that hard to put back. Okay, next we have these 5 marble mesh. We have this yellow one, this pink and green one, this blue one, this green one, and this pink and yellow one. Got this purple marble mesh. So these are the 4 pea poppers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, that's my dog. One blue eyes for the green one. So it's basically the same thing, just turns green. Again, you might have saw this in my other video, but this is a wacky track turned into a snapper. This is the next one. This is a little Angry Bird Squishmallow. The squishies. We have this watermelon cake thing, majigger.
this grape, this orange, a basketball, a narwhal cake, a cupcake, and a sandwich. And I have bad news, guys. We have lost a family member. We just got this today. My dog. He ate it. My sandwich. Well, bread. Okay, whatever. Bye. This next thing is mochis. I'm just going to show you guys that because there's a lot and it's going to be hard to explain all of them. So I'm just going to show you them. And I'll just say what they are. So, bunny, unicorn, hedgehog, bear, cute turtle, octopus, chick, cat, panda, koala, and elephant.
So now we're doing cubes. Okay, so this is the first one. It is a star Rubik's Cube. I never know how to solve these things, so yeah. Next we have these two little mini Rubik's Cubes. I keep this one solved because I don't like when people mess it up. This one, I don't care. This is an infinity cube.
Fidget spinner time. We got this neon one. We have this baby, tiny little one, a blue one. A green one. A diamond white one. We have to talk about that. A pink one, and the soccer ball one.
We have these tangles. They're gold metallic.
Next, we got some bike chains. So we got this normal bike chain, another normal bike chain, another normal bike chain, this heart-shaped one, another heart-shaped one, a bear keychain, and a bottle cap keychain.
So let's start. This is the fidget pad. It's like a fidget cube except just in a pad form. There's a green yellow and a pink yellow. These monkey noodles, they stretch extremely far, and I will show you. So there is a yellow, an orange, and a green one.
So we have a glitter slime. So let's get out of the container. What the heck? Baby, I think they ripped us off. This is not slime at all. Oh my god. Guys, we just opened this.
Eee!
This is not slime, guys. As you can see, it's just like completely falling apart. And when you pull it apart, it's hard to put back together.
It feels like putty.
Right here, it says, do not eat, keep away from heat. But it's saying it's glitter slime. I would not call this a slime.
I would call it putty.
Yeah. It comes apart so easily and it's hard to put back in. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Wait. If you go like this, it's pretty.
Let's move on to the next one. What I have is this color changing stress ball.
So these are the last three fidgets. This is an infant ring. This is a little cloud that turns into a smiley rainbow face. And this is just a little spiky cube. So yeah, that's all of our fidgets.
That was our fidget unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe.
And turn on the post notifications.
And just click that bell, put it on all, so you get notified every single time we post a new video.
Bye.
My hand is full of glitter. Bye.
Bye.